Welcome to Codeverse, your new home for learning programming, step by step. Before we write our first line of code, let's ask an important question. Why should we learn C++ in 2025? C++ is one of the most powerful and widely used programming languages in the world. It powers the core of modern operating systems, game engines, browsers like Chrome, and software used in aerospace, automotive, finance, and more. Performance matters. When performance is critical, C++ is often the best choice. It gives you low-level control of memory and hardware, while still supporting object-oriented programming. As you can see, C++ consistently outperforms Python and Java in raw execution speed. This is because C++ is compiled directly to machine code, whereas Python is interpreted, and Java runs on the JVM. When performance matters, in real-time systems, games, or embedded hardware, C++ is the top choice. One of the biggest reasons to learn C++ is that it teaches you the fundamentals, the real core of programming. You'll learn how memory works, how the CPU processes instructions, and how data structures and algorithms really function under the hood. C++ makes you think. And once you master it, other languages will feel much easier. It's like learning to drive a manual car. Once you get it, you can drive anything. Learning C++ doesn't just teach you a language, it opens doors. Whether you want to dive into robotics, embedded systems, game development, finance, or even become a better programmer in general, C++ lays the groundwork. It's often required in top universities, and valued by companies like Microsoft, Google, and NVIDIA. Knowing it gives you a head start when picking up other languages like Rust, Go, or even Python. In short, C++ is a key. And with it, you unlock more than code. You unlock opportunity. So, why should you start your programming journey with C++? First, it builds a rock-solid foundation. Once you understand C++, you'll find it much easier to learn other languages like Java, Python, or even Rust. You'll already understand how memory works, how programs interact with hardware, and how to write clean, optimized code. Second, it's the gateway to competitive programming and technical interviews. Many top coders and engineers began their path with C++. If you're serious about becoming a developer, mastering C++ gives you a serious edge. So, whether you're planning to build high-performance systems, dive into game development, or simply want to understand how computers really work, C++ is your gateway. It's not the easiest path, but it's one that builds true mastery. If you're serious about becoming a great programmer, starting with C++ will give you a strong foundation like no other. Subscribe now and follow the series. Let's explore the world of C++ together.